Morning, Jax. How you doing? Yeah, I don't know whether I've... Oh, look, now we're on the... We're on the bus route as well. Okay, we'll have to go over here. I mean, I know Bush Camp Dad spends hours and hours and hours I just don't know whether I really want to do it, to be honest. Hey, Kaifa. If you could see some sort of like, okay, let's go, you go up like 3% or something, then you could sort of like, you could sort of, I don't know, be a bit more motivated, if you know what I mean. Now you're going to grief me. Where can you see how much gold you've got? Because obviously I've got the right amount of gold, but I need to get heals. Up there. I wish it doesn't show you up there. Okay. How am I? I don't know. Finding the grind to get Unreal demotivating at the moment. I don't know. Let's see how this game goes. They seem to have made it easier to get to Elite. And then once you get to Elite, it gets ridiculously hard. Hey, Grumpy Gran. Hope you're all well. Well, it's been a challenging morning. We've been trying to get our new internet up and running. And they sent out this Juniper box and it wouldn't connect. So they then said that it's got the wrong configuration, but they could remote in to be able to fix it. So got up early so that they could remote in. And of course, needless to say, they obviously put their support desk out to people that maybe are not English as their first language. And I was having problems installing the Juniper software on my computer. It wouldn't let me do it. So thought that they would be able to help me, which they couldn't. So now they're having to send out a whole new box and then send the other one back. It's just ridiculous. So that was the first thing. Just lots of niggly challenges, and then I don't know. I know Grumpy Gran, you don't really do rank so much, but just this whole like 20 minutes sitting in a bush just to get 1% is like, I don't know.